Hey everyone, JT here. You're taking the leap, you launched your business, and you're starting to see some traction. Now it's time to start thinking about scaling your business for the long term. Okay? Scaling means growing your business in a sustainable way, increasing your revenue and impact without getting overwhelmed or burning out. It's like taking your lemonade stand from a corner of the block to multiple locations across the city, and even franchising nationwide. But scaling a business isn't just about getting bigger, it's about getting smarter. It's about creating systems, building teams, and adapting to change. So let's break down some key strategies for scaling your business. First, build a strong team. As your business grows, you can't do everything yourself. You need to build a team of talented and dedicated people who can share the workload and bring their skills set to the table. Think of like an orchestra. You're the conductor, guiding the overall performance, but you need talented musicians to play the different instruments. Each person plays a crucial role in creating the harmony of the symphony. Then you got the people. Now think about systems and process. We're going to create them. As your business expands, it's essential to have clear systems and process in place. This ensures consistency, and efficiency, and reduce the risk of errors or confusion. Think of like a well-oiled machine. Each part has a specific function, and they all work together seamlessly to produce the desired outcome. Then, delegate effectively. One of the biggest challenges for entrepreneurs is to learn to let go and delegate the tasks to others. But delegation is essential for scaling your business and freeing up your time to focus on strategic initiatives. Think of like a coach. You can't be in the field playing every single position. You need to trust your players to execute the game plan and make smart decisions. Embrace technology. Technology can be a powerful tool for your scaling your business. From automation tools to customer relationship management or CRMs, there are countless ways technology can help you streamline your operations and improve efficiencies. Think of like a turbocharger for your business. It can help you accelerate your growth and reach your new heights. And stay agile and adapt. The business world is constantly changing. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to adapt and be able to adapt and willing to embrace new ideas and approaches. Think of like a chameleon. It can change its colors to blend in with its surroundings and adapt to new environments. Your business needs to be just as dependable and to thrive in a dynamic market. Scaling your business is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about constantly learning, growing, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. But with the right mindset and a solid plan, you can take your business to new heights and achieve lasting success.